Because none of the rest of them are mossy like that and out. And since it seems a little bit bigger, my bet was this one. But it does seem a little bit too big branches. That one's closer. Or is it this one?
It's
Wait,
much more than I thought.
Wait a second. It's this is not the right tree until we get to...
Because it went up and backwards. And the truck was right around here somewhere.
The white car?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if we can find whatever kind of tree this matches to, these these leaves. Can't zoom in, shoot.
Yeah? My turn.
You okay, Justin?